Avoiding expensive cantilevers and long open spans is one of the fastest ways to keep a home construction budget under control without sacrificing comfort or durability. When we talk about cantilevers, we mean floor or roof sections that stick out past the supporting wall without anything directly underneath, which requires extra structure and careful engineering. Every extra foot of unsupported length increases the size and cost of beams, joists, and connectors, so a smart budget move is to keep spans within what standard lumber or standard span roof trusses can handle. Ask your designer or engineer for layouts that use common, off-the-shelf truss sizes and that put interior walls or beams at regular intervals to shorten spans for floors and roofs. If you want a big, open room, you can often break it up structurally by using a line of posts or a visible beam made from budget-friendly materials like laminated wood or painted steel, while still keeping the room feeling spacious. Another practical tactic is to stack upper floors over lower floors instead of offsetting them, so you avoid second-story overhangs that need heavy cantilever framing and extra insulation detailing. Always tell your designer, right from the start, that controlling cantilevers and long spans is a top priority, so they shape the floor plan around efficient structure instead of trying to trim costs after the plans are done. A big mistake people make is insisting on a huge, open span great room with no columns at all, which often forces the engineer to specify very deep and expensive beams, so the fix is to accept a few slim columns or a partial wall to cut the span in half and use normal-sized framing. Another issue is adding dramatic overhangs for looks, like projecting bedrooms or wide corner windows, not realizing that each cantilever needs careful structural design and extra insulation work at the floor edge, so the practical solution is to limit how far anything sticks out and support most projections with simple posts. A third common problem is designing the roof and floor layouts without lining up supports from one level to the next, which multiplies the number of special beams that carry loads around openings, so the better approach is to stack walls and supports vertically as much as possible and keep window and door openings away from key bearing points. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it easier to turn cost-smart designs like this into actual projects by helping homeowners connect with local contractors who understand budget-friendly structural choices. On our site, homeowners can browse contractors can find new jobs, and everyone can join our discussion community to share real-world tips on things like using intermediate supports, standard trusses, and modest spans to save money without giving up a comfortable home.